My workshop number 4 and 5 walkthrough. This is the Nexus Resource Manager. We're on the login page. This is a predefined login. Click login. It takes you to the management um, of the projects. I'm having some technical difficulty with the alignment when it's in the laptop mode, as you can tell. Ideally, I want this to realign based on whatever instrument the person is using, but right now I'm having some difficulty getting that to work. But just to go through the app, you can search by title, search by employees, search by the type of project, and then the status of the project. So let's make sure everything's working. Search is working, employees is filtering. Okay, that's working, and that's also working. Perfect. Now let's clear. I should have a clear all because this would be really annoying as a for user to go and manually have to reset the filters. But I've already handed in, so I'm not gonna make any more changes. Now you can add a team member. So it filters the employees by the skill. So I'm looking for Java. We have Alice, Bob, and Diane as the employees that have that skill. And then you can put developer or, well, for this one, we'll put developer. So Diana has 0 hours allocated. So we're going to put 20. As I'm going through this, I realized that I didn't actually put the week time frame. So it just says 20, but I don't think that was part of the requirements or the scope. But it doesn't, like, as I'm going through it, it doesn't make sense because what if this is weekly? So what if Diana wanted to work on something next week? Or what if it's finished? I didn't think of that either. If the project's finished, are they still gonna be um, this is still going to be active, but the the scope didn't ask for that as well. So here is, let's add, so we can, if Diana goes over, we're going to continue with Diana. She has 20 hours. Let's put 80. It won't let you add her because she'll be at 100, and it will say project load. It will add it. And then also you can update. So let's see. Let's go back to Diana. And you see all her projects. Again, this should be resized. Another issue here is this should resize. And so the user doesn't have to scroll over. Just for UI purposes. But let's say 10. And then we close it. Add team member. Let's go back to Diana. Okay, so it doesn't update. I actually have to have an update function or take this out. But again, we're out of time, so I'm not going to do that. That is the walkthrough. Trying to see if I forgot anything. Nope. Okay, so let's go to the code and just go through my. Okay. So I have 3 views, the allocator view, the dashboard view, and the login view. Initially in the wireframe, I also had a main view where the user can click login, but I didn't put that in due to time constraints. We have the Java, we have the controllers. Each of the controllers are related to the allocators. I use dependency injector. These are all of the models. Um, some of them are abstract, like projects is an abstract, and then fixed projects, extends project, as well as where's the other one? External, wait, no, time material projects, extends project. Now for employees, that's an abstract class, and we have external consultants, extending employees, as well as internal staff. And then we have status, and I think I went through all of them, and then the over allocation exception. Now, the repositories, I have the employee repository where I added 5 employees. And then I have the project repository where I added the projects, I pulled in the employees, and I added existing employees for some for the projects that were closed. Yeah. And then authentication service. This is a very basic one. And then the resource service. Um, that is all. That is it for my presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.